Hello. So today let's see how this particular interesting option of connecting to a material database helps, and it is exclusive for SolidWorks Simulation, and this is what comes with the simulation professional modules, especially for those customers who are under subscription. So let's have a look at it. Let me get into SolidWorks. By the way, this is available either through SolidWorks or you can get into a simulation study. I can activate a simulation study down here, and let me get into a particular study. I get into applying the materials. So before getting into that option, on a quick note, we have materials as per DIN standards. We also have one more material database. This is as per ANSI standards, and if at all you want, you can always create a custom material of your own by just copying the materials. You can see quickly how I do that, and you can always edit any of the existing values down here. Okay, this is one part of the story, and this is what comes with the software. I believe most of the software should be able to give this particular option. Now what I want to highlight today is this particular option. You can see at the bottom over here, I am pressing the click here button. It gives a text on who is eligible to get this particular material database, and it opens up. So you can see here it has directly opened up in a browser, and most interesting thing, you can see it is customized as per our setup of studies. So first of all, you can see here you can select different kind of simulations setups that we do. That is, it can be static, non-linear, etc. At the moment, let me leave the default one. As well, I can select whether it is linear, elastic, isotropic. If it is non-linear, a few more material models come down here. Okay, and obviously thereon I can select the kind of material, the class, the subclass if at all you want, or I can leave it at any. And finally I have the option of selecting a few different database. So I'll go in for the default, which is the global data center, and try to locate a material over here. So you can see it has come up with a huge list as per that standard, and it has many variations as well in that. It is not a single option down there, and this gives a large database of materials. Now let me select one of it. You can see this is how it opens. I have the material, I have the raw data. If at all you want the curve directly, you can get it. You can as well get the material model and the further details on the other details. But most important, you can download it. It is giving the option and telling us how to include it in our database. So this is the downloaded file. Let me get in here, let me get out of it, and let me copy this particular file. At the moment I'll keep it on the desktop, easy to access. Let me get in here. So either I can use the open option, and I can directly select the file. It comes here, you can see here. So now in this particular thing, the analysis is linear. If not, I can as well have a non-linear simulation here and access this material in detail. Ours was non-linear elastic. I want to play with this particular material that we imported, and here is the curve that we see. This has been imported from the database that we saw in the materiality website. So this is an interesting thing, available only for simulation customers, and I believe it gives a huge an access to a huge database of materials, and can be quite handy. One of the biggest challenges for any finite element analysis simulation is finding the right material properties, and this option gives a exclusive access to this particular database, which I believe is available only with us. Thank you.